And they're on the way. Henry Hill, the rose for your lead, moving up to take second is Power Gear. Beautiful Koki, then moving up on the outside. Dugos Charm together with gold-plated Key past the last 800. We have Henry Hill in command, followed by gold-plated Key. Moving up to take third is the stablemate of the front runner, and that's King Bearheart, followed now by Dugos Charm, passing the last 600 and going to the final 450. Henry Hill, 7A, still leading the field, throwing a challenge on the outside is 3A, gold-plated Key. King Bearheart is running by the rail. Now we have the couple entries in a 1-2 position. Henry Hill running at the center. King Bearheart is by the rail. Then moving up to take third once again is gold-plated Key. With about 100 meters more to run, Henry Hill, 7A, over the stablemate King Bearheart. And finally, Henry Hill, King Bearheart, gold-plated Key. Then comes Dugos to King. Number 2, Natu Princess, Amiable Charlize, Walk the Talk, Power Gear, 6A, Dugos Charm. Number 3, Lady Colonel, and Beautiful Coke.